Not all expenses are created equal. Some stay the same every month, yung iba naman, pabago-bago. These are called fixed and variable expenses. Knowing the difference between the two can help you build a more realistic budget. Ang fixed expenses ay mga bayarin na constant o hindi masyado nagbabago. Examples ito include monthly rent, loan amortizations, insurance premiums, at subscription fees. At dahil alam mo na exactly kung magkano ang mga yan, they're easier to plan for kapag nagbo-budget ka. Meanwhile, ang variable expenses naman ay nagbabago depende sa lifestyle, spending habits mo, at iba pang external factors. Kasama rito ang food expenses, utility bills, at transportation costs. These expenses can go up and down, kaya pwede mong i-adjust ang budget mo sa mga to when you need to, lalo na when you have to cut back on spending. The better you understand your expenses, the easier it is to manage your budget and stay on track on your financial goals. Get more insights sa pagbabudget sa episode 3 ng Manigurado docu-series with Prof. Xiao Chua. Visit our YouTube channel to watch the full episode.